Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold drops to 3.5-week low as market sell-off hits bullion. Gold rebounds after a sharp sell-off. And this is the chart of gold. Right after the market opening, we got to witness some crazy amount of selling pressure. Gold made a high of 297172, and after that gold also showed immediate recovery. Just look at the size of the candle. Gold made a high of 3056 and right now trading around 3030. So right after the market opening, gold was crazy. Usually after the market opening, we don't see much volatility. After US session market gains momentum, most of the time we see a slow Monday market. But this market was crazy, this market was wild. In a previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, we discussed about a selling opportunity below 3012. But to be honest, I was not expecting this. We also discussed that if market breaks 3012, possibility of 3000 acting as support was less, and we can see that this market showed heavy sell-off but also recovered immediately. Now the big question is whether we have a downtrend or we have a trend reversal on gold. So this is the big question right now, and the answer is still not clear. Maybe we will get a better picture, clear picture by tomorrow, but right now there is a high chance that the technical correction on gold may be over, and from tomorrow or day after tomorrow onwards we may see gold going up again. Because overall, my dear friend, the overall chart of gold was never bearish. This is the 4-hour chart of gold. You can see the 4-hour chart of gold was never bearish. If you look at the daily chart of gold, it was never bearish. And there was no news also for a trend reversal. We have discussed it plenty of times that for a trend reversal, we need a solid fundamental reason. In absence of any fundamental reason, if market goes down, it will be a temporary technical correction. And right now it seems that the temporary technical correction is over, because on the 4-hour chart of gold we can see the market has beautifully bounced from the 200 moving average. But still it is very early to tell whether we have a trend reversal or not. So I think it's better for all of us to wait till tomorrow. By tomorrow we will get a clear picture, because if market breaks 30, today's high of 3057, where is the pencil? Yeah, if market breaks the today's high of 3056, or if market breaks 3058, now listen to me carefully. The structure of the market will change again. Those who are new to the market, you must be confused. The structure of the market was lower highs and lower lows. So if market breaks this particular high here, then we will see another higher high on gold. So formation of higher high will indicate that market is going for a trend reversal. So today's high and lows are going to be very significant for all of us. If market breaks 3058, obviously we can expect further upside. We can look for a buy position as well above this black line. And if market fails to go up, and if we see market going down, if gold breaks 2970, it will form a lower low. If it forms a lower low, you can expect that whatever we witnessed after market opening was just a temporary thing, and gold would be continuing the downside. Gold would be continuing the temporary correction. But as of now, things are not clear, but there is a high chance that gold will form another higher high here. If gold forms higher high, then we may see market going up again. So where are the trading opportunities then? So my dear friend, if you have any buy right now, you can hold your buy position. Because personally I feel that there is a good chance of market going for upside again. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, you can look for a buy above 3058. 3058, you can easily hold your position for 70-80 pips. After that you may exit. When gold will hit 308384 area, the 200 moving average, it may face some resistance. Till then, you can expect the upside to continue. Okay, and we may also see some resistance around 3092 3100. Day traders, scalpers, risk lovers, okay, you can look for a sell position around this area if you see market going up. And obviously this is a big red big zone here at the top. Okay, the zone is 301 3135. Okay, 3135 and 3122, 3135 and 3122. Okay, this is a zone where we can look for a sell position, but chances of market going towards 3135 3122 is very less. But as of now, let's keep our eyes on this particular portion of the market only. If gold breaks this high, it will form a higher high, and there is a high chance that by tomorrow we may see gold going up again. Okay, and if market drops from here, because see, in any market, any chart, there are only two possibilities. Market will either go up or market will either go down, isn't it? If market falls or market drops during the day, okay, as a day trader, okay, you can look for a bounce around 3004 to 3000 area. This is a temporary bounce level. As a day trader, you can hit the buy button and you can be on the buy position for 50 to 60 pips, not more than that. Because things are not clear, do not expect much, do not be greedy. When we will have a trending market, you can ride the trend of the market, but you need to understand the market conditions, that you cannot expect the same every day. So why are we expecting 3004 to 3000 level to work as support? Let me show you. Okay, we are back with our beloved Fibo here. So you can see here, okay, around 3004 3000 area, we have Fibo 61.8% retracement level, plus we also have the previous resistance working as support. Okay, and if market breaks this area, then we may also find some support around 2985 2986. Okay, as a day trader, observe the market, because the previous resistance may work as support and you can find a bounce. But if market gets very crazy, if you see heavy selling market forming big red candles, then obviously forget about everything. Okay, then just wait for the market to break 2970 and you can look for a sell below it. Okay, so you must be confused. Okay, let me wrap it up once. Okay, so my dear friend, after the market opening, we got to see some crazy amount of volatility. For the last few days, gold was in downtrend because correction was very much needed. But okay, we can see right now that there is a possibility of a trend reversal. Though we have a higher high here, but it's still very early to predict. We need another higher high, then only it will be a confirmation to us that the downtrend we saw on Friday and Thursday is over and gold is going for a upside again. Okay, now the thing is, okay, gold is going up. How to trade now? Okay, so if you have any buy, you can hold your buy position. If gold breaks to 305758 during the day, we can look for a buy above it. And as a day trader, scalper, you can also look for a sell around 3093 3100 area as well. And if market drops, okay, observe the volume. If you see the market is going down with big red candles, it means that gold is about to continue the correction that we have been witnessing from Thursday. Okay, and we can look for a sell below 2970. But if you see the size of the candles are not very significant, okay, like this, then it means that, okay, gold is about to take support. Market is not going for another lower low. If that happens, we can look for a bounce around 3004 3000, then 298586 area. But as of now, do not go with big lot sizes. This is not the ideal market to trade where you can go with high risk. Okay, this is a market where you need to observe. Okay, if you want to trade, then go with a little bit small lot sizes, because see, this is a market, okay, where we have where we are witnessing a transition right now. Okay, and still there is no confirmation yet. When market will be continuing the upside, then you can go with big lot sizes as per your choice. But right now, try to be on a safer side. Observe the market, then take a decision. If you're a beginner, new trader, okay, if you're unable to understand the market condition right now, then just take rest. Wait for 1 or 2 days. Things should get normal, okay, by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Let's wait and watch. Time will speak.